This is the GoPro 12 Black Creator Edition, showing you the unboxing and complete setup. The back of the box will show you the accessories that are included with your purchase. Make sure you know that this does not include the memory card, the SD card, the mini SD card. So make sure you have that if you want to use it right away when you get home. So when you open the box, it has that opening that I just showed you. It's easy, so you don't have to destroy the box. And this is the packaging inside. It really feels sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap. You know, this is how it's in. You have that box or like bag to carry it with you everywhere. All the accessories fits in that box. There's instructions, but it tells you right away, Creator Edition must be updated before you can use it. So this would be your first step. Make sure you have your phone. You can use iPhone or Android phones. And this is what shows in the box. This is actually the flash. So there's an included flash, a light. Well, it's not flash, but it's a light. So you can attach it on top of the GoPro. So this is, I haven't had one with the light included, so this is already a plus. And this is the battery. So the battery is not attached to the GoPro. So once you open it, you will need to attach that battery. And this is the handle. So basically you have that, but this one with the GoPro 12, you can actually connect it to the GoPro itself. There's that connector, so you can turn it on and off using the handle. So these are the accessories. You have the cover for the lens, well, for the GoPro, so you can protect it when it falls. And with the other accessories, it's inside the bag that came with it. There it is. I'm just showing you how it is inside the box, so you can pull it out. All of them, there's a second level there, making sure, just showing you what's included. So basically that's your GoPro right there. So it's protected inside. It has a cover. You will just need to read. There are certain instructions, you know, specific instructions once you open, and these are what's included. So you have the charging wires. There's a thing for the microphone, and there's extra holders for your GoPro, and the screws that you use for attaching it, it's there. And those are your two wires to charge for, and just a couple of extra accessories that you will definitely need along the way. So it's packaged very well. It's impressive. Again, just showing you how it is in the packaging for now. And these are the instructions. So in case you need to know how it's done, you know, some of you might know already how to do it right away, you know, just connect it, but there's that step-by-step guide. Basically, I'm gonna follow that step-by-step guide for you. And again, this is the Hero 12 Creator Edition. action camera in black. So that's the box that came with it. Again, there are, before you purchase it, you'll have an idea of what's included because the back shows the picture, and this is the steps. You get stickers as well if you want, like to put that sticker in your car or wherever you like to show that you have the GoPro. And so far so good. We just seeing what's included in it. So the display type for this GoPro is LED. Screen size is 2.27 inches, and the aspect ratio is 16:9, and it is a touch screen, just so you know. So it's a touch screen. So again, going back to the instructions. So again, it says Creator Edition must be updated before you can use it. So right now I'm on to step 1. First thing you will need to do, so I'm using my Android phone, this is my Samsung Galaxy S23. So all you need to do is go to your camera and wait for that link to come up and click on it. Alright, it hasn't worked. So again, scan it. So go to your phone's camera. It can be Android or or iPhone, and that link, that's the link I was talking about. So with me using the Android, it will either ask me to go to the Google Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Either one will work, because you will need to download the app first, which says GoPro Quick Video Editor. That's what you want to install. So click install on your phone and just follow the prompts. It might ask for your password and stuff. So it says you would just have to agree with if you want it to be fingerprinted. It will ask for your Google account, and you will wait for a little bit until it downloads. And then once it downloads, you will have an option to open or uninstall. So here's what it shows. You will just hit open if you want to do it right away. So it's gonna show you what you can do with the app. So it's gonna say make the most of your shots. You can either, if you already have an account, you can sign in. If you don't have one yet with the GoPro, you can create an account. So it will tell you what you can do. You can edit on the app, and you can also continue as a guest if you want. So for me, I'm actually creating an account because I don't have an account yet. So you have an option to continue with Apple, continue with Google, or with Facebook, or you can sign up with an email. In the app, it will ask you right away if you own a GoPro. So of course, you are gonna say yes, and it will ask you set up your own GoPro now, yes, and then it will ask to connect a camera. So this app allows you to connect your previous GoPro that you have if you're still keeping them. So make sure though, before you hit connect a camera, that your GoPro is turned on. It will ask you for you to allow it to connect, and then it will search for that camera. So again, make sure your GoPro is turned on already, and you can choose what model you have. Again, see, it's up to going back to Hero 2018 actually. So you can connect. It will have instructions for you on what you need to do on your GoPro screen when you connect. So it will have that video or picture, so it will be easier for you to actually just follow it. So if you did not turn on your GoPro, it's gonna say no GoPro detected. So that's what happened because I didn't turn on the GoPro yet, so that's why.